Hi everyone, my name is Laura and I'm going to explain how you can access old AP exams through College Board's website. The best way to prepare for a situation is to practice, and this most definitely applies to AP exams. College Board posts tons of resources from old tests to scoring distributions to even videos of teachers explaining certain topics. Today, I'm just going to show you how to access past exams and their answer keys, as that has been the most helpful for me. So to access all these resources, you're going to want to go to apcentral.collegeboard.org/courses. This is what the website looks like, and you'll see there's tons of APs. And each one of these APs, when you click on it, will lead you to all the resources. So as an example, I'm going to choose AP Biology. This is like the AP Central homepage for AP Biology. There's the CED, which is a course and exam description, which is kind of like a huge study guide for the exam, and lots more resources down here, like the equations and formula sheet. But to get to the past exams, you want to click the exam. From there, scroll down a bit, and you'll see some information about exam format. And this is how all the exams look. This is just AP Bio as an example. For all the AP subject homepages, the exam that's the most easy to find is the one from the previous year. So this is from 2022. But if you scroll down just a little bit more, you'll be able to access some from even decades ago. So this even shows 1997. So just click on that. And you'll see tons of past exams. And these are all the free response questions. They don't usually release the multiple choice, but you can talk to your teacher and see if they have any resources. So just as an example, I'm going to choose 2019. You just click the plus button, and I can see the free response questions, some of the scoring information, so the distributions, statistics, chief reader report, which is basically like information about how the scores were, and the scoring guidelines, and then some sample responses, which are really nice to see how different kids answered these questions, and you can actually see direct feedback for those responses. So if you click free response questions, that's going to take you to the free response questions. So this is what the 2019 students were able to see. These were their questions. So as practice, I would recommend doing all these questions. And then once you've done that, you can go back and click scoring guidelines. This is like the answer key. So it'll tell you like how many points things were worth. Obviously, some of the questions have multiple answers. So this one right here has 3 answers to it. And it has it for all of them, which is really helpful. Back to the AP Bio page, they offer responses for each of the questions. So you can see there's multiple. So let's just say question 1. It'll show you the actual copies of what students submitted. And it's kind of interesting to like see everyone's handwriting. As you can see, there's 3 different handwritings here because there are 3 different answers. So the first one scored a 10, the second one scored an 8, and the last one scored a 6. And I think this is really helpful to see the difference and what's really going to push you to get that score that you want. I hope this was helpful, and good luck!